how to disable email newsletter notifications on SoundCloud mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable email newsletter notifications on SoundCloud mobile. First thing, go to SoundCloud and here you will find library. Click on it and then click on the top corner on your profile, and here you will find settings and then click notifications. Now scroll down until you find this one here, the last one, SoundCloud newsletter. And if you want to disable it, all you need to do is just click on it, and as you see, SoundCloud newsletter have been turned off. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.